Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will walk you through how to use Wix Booking step by step in 2025. It is perfect for beginners. So if you are running a business where clients need to book service, classes or appointments online, Wix Bookings makes it super easy and professional. So by the end of this video, you will know how to set up service, enable shopping, online scheduling, accept payments, customize your booking page, and so more. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So here you can see we are already have a couple of websites in here, so we are able to start with any of them. But before that, you just need to be understand what actually is Wix Booking. So let's search it in website Wix Booking and let's hit enter. So here you can see Wix Booking is a built-in scheduling system for your Wix website. It allows clients to book one-on-one appointments or group classes. Then it allows you to pay online or in person. Then it receive automated reminders. Then it help you to sync bookings with your calendar. It is ideal for fitness trainers, coach and consultants. Then it is also ideal for beauty salons and freelancer and more. So how you can add Wix Booking to your website? It is really simple. So you just need to create an account on Wix. Like if you are new in Wix, then you will get this kind of an interface where you just need to be click to the website, get website. Then here you just need to be input your all necessary things. Then just click on sign up. Once you click over here, then you will get an options where they will ask you which kind of a website do you want to create. Like this one, just click on create new website. Once I click over here, as you can see, this will be the interface you will get. So I will click over here into the setup without chat. Just click over here. Once I click over here, then here you can see what type of website do you want to create. So here you just need to be select what kind of a website do you really want. So I can go with an online store consultant. It would be perfect. So I will click over here consultant, then click to the continue. Once I did, then here you can see that the next procedure is already started. So here we just need to wait a bit. So you just need to log into your Wix dashboard, then you will get this setup. So I can skip it right now. Okay, let's skip it again. Okay, skip it. I can choose this one, brand marketing consult. Okay, that's great. Then click on continue. Step number 1, yeah, continue. It all are okay. Offer virtual session, then let's accept all of them. Then click on continue. This will be the process you need to be go with this way. So you just need to be open the website editor for the site you want to use. Then here you can see this that they use. So here you just need to be click to the apps here, and then just visit to app market. Just click over here, and here you just need to be search Wix Booking, Wix Booking, and let's hit enter. Once you click over here, then eventually you will get this Wix Booking, and as you can see, it already been installed in our platform. So here you can see it. Just click to the open. But if you find that this is not installed yet, then you just need to be click on add to site. This will be add a booking page and install the app into your dashboard. That much simple and easy the process was. Then again come back to the Wix dashboard, and now I will click over here my site, select site. Here you can see it. Then you just need to be set up your service in this step. So how you can do it? Let's create a service client can book. You just need to be go to the booking calendar, but before that I am going to design my site. That's why I will click on this one. Then here you can see we have option customize the template. So I will click on pick a template. So I will go with their pre-made template. So here you can see we have couple of template over that place. So let's go with this one, or I can go with this one. Just click onto the edit. Once I click over here, then eventually it will be published to our website. Now we are allowed to edit it how we want to edit this one. So here you can see it will take a while to complete, so we need to keep patience to complete the process. So here eventually you can see that our design is visible right now. Now here you can see adding Wix booking also. So here this process you will also will be face when you will do your work. So once it's done, then I will ship a next step, that is set up your service. So that's for a reason, let's wait a bit. So here you can see that our work has been done. Now a pop-up has been come to our display, that is enhance your AI content. You could use it or you could leave it, it's totally depend on you, it is not necessary. So once you feel that your work has been done, just click to this publish, and in this way you will able to publish or live your website where people can now easily visit the link and find out your website here. So here you can see it that congratulations, your site is published and live online. Click on to the done, and now I will come back to this one, and then I will click through this one. So where is our website? Let's try to find it out. Okay, this one. So I will select this one, and it will redirect me to the dashboard again, and here eventually we just need to do our main work. So here we are going to set up our service. So where let's create a service clients can book. Like you just need to go to the booking. Once you click over here, then you will get a couple of options like calendar, booking list, work schedule, and then you have booking analytics. So you could add a service over here. You just need to be click to the service, set up service, click to this one, and when you click over here, then here you can see we have a couple of service already created. So I just want to add a new one, that's why I will click on add a new service. Just click through this one, and here you just need to be add a couple of things, like we have couple of one appointment, then class, then other courses. So we have so much variant over that place. So you just need to be choose one of them, or you can start from the scratch. So I will click to this one, start from the scratch, and the service name will be 111, and the tagline you just need to be add a tagline. You could use it, it is optional, it's totally depend on you. If you want to add it, you are allowed to add it. So here you can see choose how clients can pay for the service, with a plan per session or with a plan. So clients pay for session based on the price you set, and let's select this one. I think this may be good. Enter amount online, or you can do it from offline also. Then let me paste our price. Our price will be this, and here you just need to add your locations. Okay, let's edit this one. Just click to the edit, save and continue, and here we are allowed to add it our business location over that place. So when you add your location, then you can add video conference if you want to add it, or you can go with the offline. It's totally depend on you. Then here you just need to include your your staff who will take these sessions. Then here you can add couple of sessions and rooms, then emails, and here this is the main, that is booking preference, like booking policy. Select which policy will that you can add your policy page here. Then when you will done, just click to the save. Once you click over here to the save, then it has been done. So here you can see start tracking booking online, so it is not necessary. So ability, just click to this one, and here you can see this is the ability we are. So this way you can easily create your booking over here. So here I hope you understand how easy the process was. We did the work, like we just enter our service name, we enter our description, duration, price, then locations, and then just click to the save, and it has been done. Let me give you a tip about this one, that is add images and FAQs to make it more engaging. Then we are going to manage our calendar and availability. How we can do it? To set our availability, you just need to be visit to the booking, then calendar. You will get this one, calendar over here, booking. This one is the calendar. Then you just need to be click set business hours. So here you will get the options to set business hour. So here you can see we have couple of options. So here you can see this is the session availability. You can choose which one you want, then you choose your weekly schedule and time zone, and block off dates for holidays or day off. So you can also sync with Google Calendar for real-time updates. So let me give you a bonus tip, that is enable buffer time between appointments for breaks or preparations. Then in the next system we are going to set up payment. So how we can do it? To collect payments, you just need to go to the setting, just click over here to the setting, then here you will get the options called accept payment. Just choose this one, and then you just need to choose your payment method. It could be manual like cash or bank transfer. It would be a Wix payment like credit and debit card. That you could choose this like PayPal also. Enable require payment at booking if you want to change upfront. Always use coupons and discount in the coupon sections to offer promotions. It would make your profile more hard for client. Then once you're done, then the next step will be customize email and notification. So Wix automatically send emails like booking confirmation, reminder and cancellations, but you can also customize this under. Just click onto the setting again choose setting, then here you will get an options called notifications. Let's find it out, notifications. Okay, let's go, and here you can see that is the notification preference. So you just need to select this one. When you enter this one, here you will get the options for notification. So here you can easily can also like add your brand logo, you can change your ordering, you can set up SMS alert with a premium plan. It is not this one. So automated reminders help reduce no shows. Then in the step number 7 we are going to talk about customized booking page design. Like want to make your booking page match your brand, you just need to be open Wix editor. So here you can see this is the Wix we have. So if you want to edit this one, you just need to be edit this Wix editor, and then you just need to be go to the booking page, or you can do whatever you want. Then you just need to be change, customize fonts, colors, layout and button style. Then add testimonials, also FAQ sections or service highlight. Then add a book now button to your homepage or menu for better visibility. So here I'm going to add an element over here, and let's find it out. Wix booking, let's search it out. Event, here you can see you can add event. There we have this booking option, so you can see it. So you could add the booking like calendar, then service list, next availability, weekly timetable, daily agenda and many more, as you can see. So I am going to add this calendar over here, so I will drag it drop here, and eventually you can see that our calendar will be added on that platform. So here you can see we are not load. So there is a problem, that is we are not able to load the booking calendar. Please refresh the page or contact us. So we did not get any calendar yet, that is the problem we are getting. So whenever you will completely create the calendar, you will get to show, or you will get the option to show it. So now let's talk about the bonus sessions. If you watch the video till then, that is test your booking system. So before going live, let's add one that we already created. Just go over here and add this one here, and here you can see that our booking has been added. So I will click to the publish again, and then eventually I will visit that one. Just click onto the visit site, and here you will get eventually that what I offer, where is our booking. So let's click onto the let's talk. Once I click over here, then here you can see we have this one. So our booking is not available though. So you just need to go through these options, just need to click over here, and now here you can see click to this panel, and let's increase the size and click to the publish, and then click to the preview. Once I click over here to preview, now here you can see that our book now button is working. So you just need to click over here book now, like you're just trying to book a test appointment. Then make sure the calendar is working. So here you can see a calendar will be arrived. Then you just need to select the date, then the time when you want to do your session, just click to the next, and you just need to be book your online sessions. So here you can book this service, yet update your plan to start accepting booking. So in this way you can easily book your appointment through this option. So here just go all live online when everything you feel that working smoothly. So I hope you understand how easy the process was to create and booking, and try to evaluate this as you want. So let's wrap up the video here. If you learned the essential thing from this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you found this helpful, give a thumbs up to the video and drop your question in the comment box. I will happy to assist you in the comment box, and I will try my best to give all the answer as fast as possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Wix and small business tutorial. I will catch you in the next video with a new topic.